Welcome back to Garte 3D. Today we're starting simple, a beginner's step-by-step guide to acrylic painting. If you've never picked up a brush before, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Here's what you'll need. Acrylic paints in basic colors, red, blue, yellow, white, black. A few brushes, flat, round, and detail. A canvas or thick paper. A palette for mixing a cup of water and a cloth. Start with a flat wash, mix blue and white for the sky. Work quickly, blending while the paint is still wet. Don't stress about perfection. Acrylics let you layer as much as you want. Next, block in the ground. Use horizontal strokes for a simple field or beach. Keep it basic. Now let's add details. Try a tree using a round brush. Start with the trunk, then use dabbing or stippling for leaves. The key is layers. Dark base first, lighter colors on top for highlights. Time for highlights. A little white mixed into your colors makes them pop. Add some clouds or brighten the tops of your shapes to bring them forward. And that's it, a simple acrylic landscape for beginners. Remember, practice is everything. The more you paint, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.